Sembut Menteri Rangba kejela ubak singa balang dhar hak arphuai trik yayong. Ula ong baka National People's Party NPP kelapun krep hai yala dia nak bentak election shitting samoy jongka shulong Lok Sabha ha kebasyan kan sapun benano ya unika kertong banyakun. Kelapun krep ha nak bentak ni ke by election kebenwan ong ubak singa balang habakren syakilat thai kubor habakali halur ka jimpen kre jo ka NPP. Ha ka bayadai bat ukertong ke parti ulaang ngindang shim ya ka rai ngin sakot ya ka jingalang bat shim ya ka rai manu benlong une ka kertong shen pinsatim. Ubak singa balang ulaang baka jingslam penjit kertong kadai namar ka jingbun jong ki bapan tiket. Kila don katu kat ningut ki belawan ya keren bat ke parti. Day nak kata kadau kala kam shimpor kindian nak benta jungi ben penbenda ya unika kertong ulaang. Ha bakali la karai jo ka BJP bat ki wei ki parlok senrap ben penyeng la ki jong ki kertong kan kata ane em ya ka NPP ulaang. Em kanam kata satya namar ki ya khon dak bak pensyong nongrim hala ki jong ki jing don vote. Kani kanam de satya ka jing le se ka UDP ru kan penyeng le se ka BJP ru bat ke HSPDP kan penyeng kertong. Onum don unika kertong yang menlang dinya khun hi daladi. Halur ka jingjit ya UMP Rajya Sabha ubak singa balang ulaang ngindang shim ya karai ka parti kan ya keren ya kan ka kam bat shim lang ya karai halur ka ni.
We are well prepared.
Who is your candidate?
We are yet to finalize, so we will call meetings, all the party. So we will take a call, we will take a decision, we will decide who is our candidate. Shortly you'll be able to know.
Only some few applicants' names we can give.
No, that let me see. We will finalize. We won't see what applicant we are very close to announcement of the name of the candidate. Number of them. That's why it takes a little bit time for us to declare the
Also on the Rajya Sabha nomination. So what is the?
No, that is yet to decide because party will sit on this issue and will decide unanimously from the party side.
Coming back to by-election, the BJP and other alliance partners putting up candidates will affect.
No, it's not affect. They are putting on their own vote bank. We are fighting on our own. But that's no issue. Maybe UDP will put, maybe BJP will put, maybe HSP will put. Now there is no common candidate. We will fight on our own only.